Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you for size of column and its steel reinforcement for this house planning, which is G plus 1 story. So this is ground floor plan and first floor plan. On the top of we have this one. Okay, so here you can see this is a ground floor plan and you can see the planning. I will guide you for size of column and spacing between each column. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see here, these black hatching, you can see these are RCC columns. So here you can see the width of this bedroom is 12 feet and 6 inches. So it means, so the spacing of these two columns is about 12 feet and 6 inches. Next one, guys, you can see this is 11 feet and 9 inches. So here you can see this is the other column. This one you can see 12 feet. So this is the other column. So here we have the maximum span. Here we have up to 18 feet. This is the maximum span up to 18 feet. And minimum is here about 6 feet. So this is maximum and this is minimum. So now let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. So you can see this is carport. So size of this carport is 26 feet 9 inches by 21 feet. Okay, next you can see this is main entrance. So when you come here, so you can see this is a powder room. This is a stair for up. When you enter by this lobby, which width is up to 6 feet, you can see this is a drawing room. Size is 9 inches by 14 feet 9 inches. And this is a dining. Size is 10 feet by 16 feet and 9 inches. So let me guide you for its size of column, footing and its steel reinforcement. Okay, so size of column is for G plus 1 story. Here I designed by myself and the size is here 9 inches by 12 inches. So this is size of column, 9 inches by 12 inches, including 6 steel rods. Here you can see this is stirrup. Okay, so here guys we have for each bar the dia is, so we have here 6 numbers. Okay, and the dia is here 6 numbers. Dia is 12 mm. So we have 6 numbers. Diameter of steel rod is 12 mm. Next guys, you can see we used here 40 grade steel rod. Okay, and here the size already I have mentioned, 9 inches by 12 inches, and 40 grade steel rod length is 40 feet, or you can say 12 meter. Okay, next guys, this is steel reinforcement and also size of column. So we will use here for this grade of concrete. So grade of concrete is M20. Okay, which ratio is here 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, 1 part cement, 1.5 parts sand and 3 parts aggregate or crush. Okay, so you can use the water cement ratio from 0.45 to 0.60. So this is a ratio of water cement ratio. Next guys, let me guide you for its footing. So this is G plus 1 story, as I told you. Okay, G plus 1 story, it means this is 2 story, but this is a residential building. Okay, not commercial. So here guys, the spacing of each column is, as I told you before, maximum I have already discussed, which is up to 18 feet, and minimum is here, as I shown there, which is 6 feet, but the design is same. Okay, 9 by 12 inches. Now come to its footing. So we have done the square footing for this. This is G+1 story. So here this is 4 feet by 4 feet, because here we have also maximum span, as you can see here about 16 feet span we have also. But if you see here guys, this is one column and this is other column. So when you do its calculation, so this is 14 by 14 feet and the other one is 10 feet, so it's going up to 24 feet. So therefore guys, we decided the size of column 4 by 4 feet and the depth is here, which is 4 feet and 6 inches. This is its depth. Now its steel reinforcement. Okay, for this footing we have individual footing. That's why, because of here the spacing, the minimum spacing is here 6 feet and maximum is 18 feet. So therefore guys, we have individual footing. So individual footing is not economical, because if you are making combined footing, that is economical, especially in a residential building. If that is commercial building, why not? Okay, next guys, you can see its steel reinforcement. So this is its section. So these are steel reinforcement. Okay, so here for this guys, we have 12 mm dia with the spacing of 150 mm center to center. Okay, for all concrete cover you can keep from 25 to 40 mm. This is concrete cover. Next guys, you can see this is other car porch. Okay, so the size of the car porch, you can see this is 26 feet 9 inches by 21 feet. Also you can see the living room, which is here 24 feet and 6 inches width. So in that case guys, here you are able to provide hidden beam. Okay, so hidden beam is also important. Hidden beam is also called concealed beam, you can say. Okay, concealed beam or embedded beam, you can say. Embedded beam. Okay, so this is hidden beam. So here for hidden beam, that's why, because of when we have the maximum span of slab, if that slab is for lounge, if that is for car porch, if that is for hall, so in that place we are using hidden beam. Okay, and now the size of this hidden beam is here. You can see the thickness is 100 mm, or you can say 4 inches, and the width should not be less than 300 mm, or you can say 12 inches. Here guys, we have used minimum 4 steel rods at the bottom and 2 at the top. Remember, the dia of each steel rod, especially in bottom portion, used 16 mm, because this is hidden beam. Hidden beam we are providing to resist the bending moment. Okay, and also shear stresses. This is also important. Next guys, the stirrup spacing you can keep up to 6 inches or 150 mm C/C. So this is the very important design for hidden beam. Okay, next guys, I have forgotten one thing here for stirrups. So the stirrups, you can see this is the stirrup. So for stirrup used minimum 8 mm dia with the spacing of 150 to 200 mm. Okay, 150 to 200 mm, but this is not stirrup. I'm sorry for this. That's why, because this is ring or ties. Okay, so this is the spacing. So it means that at the bottom, let me make it section. This is section. From bottom, at the distance of, this is total height. So height divide by 3. Okay, so this portion spacing you can keep up to 150 mm. After this, so from end and starting L by 3 distance, you can keep the spacing 150 also here, C/C. But at the middle you can increase the spacing, which is up to 200 mm. Okay, now come to the lapping. If you require the lapping, so the lapping is not allowed here at the bottom. Okay, but if you are providing the lapping, so provide the lapping L by after L by 3 distance, but not at the mid. and not at L by 3 distance, but after finishing after L by 3 you are able to provide L by 4 distance. So simply I will tell you, but remember the lapping length should not be less than 60D, where D is dia of steel rod, where we have the dia 12 mm. So 12 mm multiply 60. Okay, so that is the length of lapping. Okay, hope this video can help you. So this is the planing, this is the column design, steel reinforcement, you can see the footing steel reinforcement, lapping details, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.